Bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the October Glossybox. It's been a minute since I've done a Glossybox review, and that's partially because they've been crap lately, but this one seemed intriguing enough, and for once in a long time they did a unique packaging. So you either got this silver and black or there's a red and black version. I don't believe that affects the products inside, just a fun little je ne sais quoi, but it's the true masquerade, magical masquerade. So without further ado, let us dive in. So opening the box, it's been a while. We get our lovely little booklet that goes over everything we get. Oh, cute. We get a little masquerade mask. They don't, do they give us? I don't think they give us the string. Maybe I can use the string that is used to tie up all my gifts, but that's a cute little nice touch. Paper, so recyclable, but that's fun. That's fun. All right, so we got the lovely black packaging as always. Ooh, one product's already coming out. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I will say, and I saw this in a lot of comments, so I live in France, so this is the French European version, but they keep sending out these boxes later and later and later every single month. Today is the, what is the 18th? It's a bit late. At the latest in the past, I would get it by the 13th to 15th. Doesn't seem like a huge deal, but when it's already more than halfway through the month and you're still waiting, it's a lot unpleasant. And they usually do a couple sneaky peeks, but then they just released all of the items and nobody had received their box yet. So it's really frustrating. So, okay, 5 items. Let's start taking them out one by one. I'm gonna start with the ones that I've already seen. So let's go from there. So the first product is from the brand Polaar. I actually really love this brand. Here we have the Lapland Genuine Cream with 3 Arctic berries. It's 25 mils. I actually really love this brand. So despite me hating receiving hand cream in boxes and not generally using hand cream too much, probably should. As we age, hands age a lot, so I should get back into it. But I am really happy that it's this brand. If you haven't tried Polaar before, they're amazing. I've tried several of their face creams and they're just really good. They smell amazing. Not sure if I'll open it yet. It might be a nice gift, but apparently this is a deluxe size product. This is not just a sample size. This is for sale and it is worth €8.50, which seems really expensive for the size for me. However, okay, great. We're getting into the colder months. Fun. Next, I'll take out what I believe is the only makeup item in this box. Heartbreak for me. But this was the first item that we saw as a sneak peek. This is the Josephine Cosmetics Liquid Lip Powder Matte in Tiphaine, and it has a bunch of oils and whatnot in it. Now, I'm not gonna swatch this just because I have a lot of red lipsticks and glosses and I'm not sure I need it. It's certainly giving me Illamasqua vibes. It's a nice size. This is actually full size. Okay, I guess that makes sense. I thought this was, again, a deluxe size, but you can kind of see it at the bottom. I'll try to put a picture of a swatch on the page. It is a lovely Lust Blood Red, but it's worth €28.90. And for a brand that I'm not so aware of, that seems like a lot. I'm sure it's nice. I've seen some people use it on their page, but again, I have something similar. Maybe that's the problem with these boxes. I have a bit of everything now. However, a nice touch and definitely good to have a fun makeup product. The third item, my favorite thing to get in the boxes. It's not, I hate it. Okay, it's not my least favorite, but this is by Kueshi. I don't know if it's pronounced Kueshi or Kueshi. And it is a full-size body wash and you get either vanilla or berry. I got vanilla, which is great because I love vanilla. It smells really nice and sweet. It smells more chemical vanilla though, rather than vanilla. I still have the Kueshi, I'm just gonna call it Kueshi, hand or body lotion. We got a vanilla one as well a little while back. Haven't used it. Okay, thanks. I suppose it's something I'll always use up. This is worth €6.50. It is a full-size product, but it's just kind of again, how does this fit with the theme? Tell me. At least with the lipstick, right? You're like, ooh, look at my lips. You can see the lips. Makes sense. hand cream, you know, you'd be giving your hand at the masquerade. This, I mean, sure, you want to smell nice, but it's like they're just throwing in things whenever they can. It's a nice brand, it's a nice item, but that's probably something I would gift to people. I'm just a little like, thanks. Last two items, I mean, we get a face sponge from the brand Karina. It's Karina makeup brushes. This is a beauty blender. Cute little packaging. It seems quite like proper soft, not the really hard one. So I'm sure it's nice, and I suppose you can always use them and it's really great to replace them. But this just seems like a filler. I'm complaining a lot in this video, but it's just like, it feels like every other box they're throwing in either this or some little brush or one of those makeup remover cotton pads. We get it. We've tried them, everybody has this. I just feel like there's not really any element of like, wow, cool, you know, a surprise. So that being said, I can certainly use another one. I've been really going through mine a lot lately. I've been trying to do a lot of videos and creative looks. So it's always good to have more, but it's just a makeup sponge. Like, I can go across the street and get one, you know what I mean? And this one is worth €6.50, so a little pricey. I think you could get two Real Technique ones, which are probably one of my favorites, for like €9. So okay, but I suppose for an indie brand, it is what it is. There. And last, probably not least, but we'll see. This is a product by the brand Grace and Stella. I've had a couple of items from them throughout the last year of my subscription with Glossybox. One was a spray, the other one, I forget what the other one was. But it's a really nice brand, and here we get a lash serum, natural eyelash growth serum. And it says, the only drama I enjoy is my lashes. That's not true. I love reality TV. So this package is sealed up, and I mean, I'll put a picture of it opened here, yonder. I'm not sure I'm gonna open it again because I feel like I could probably gift it. Now, I've used a few lash serums in the last year, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like they really did anything. Maybe they reinforced my lashes, but I didn't notice any noticeable growth, change in thickness, lusciousness. So I'll consider giving it a go, but likely that will be something I will gift. And that is a full-size product, 5 milliliters, and worth $13.95. So let us just dive into my final thoughts. All right, what do we think about the month of October? And I'm a little disappointed. Last year's October was so good. We had that beautiful purple box and everything was like themed and matching. And I kind of said at the start of the video, the reason I stopped filming them, they just seem to have really gone downhill. I don't think it's just me. Naturally, I've accumulated a lot of products over the last year doing YouTube and whatnot, and just in general loving makeup and beauty products. I don't have that spark of excitement for Glossybox anymore. It's kind of dissipated. I did order the advent calendar, so I'm waiting on that. Hopefully that comes in soon. Again, I'm in France, so very slightly from the UK version and quite a bit from the US version, so should be getting that by month's end. Fingers crossed, if they ship on time like they promised, which they don't. But it's just, it feels so meh lately. Like, it's so disappointing. Don't care at all about the body wash, the lash serum, lipstick. We've seen it before, even in this box. We've gotten red lips before. This sponge I'll use, but it's a sponge. And honestly, you know, it's a sad box when my favorite product is a hand cream. That's a little bit disappointing, isn't it? I'd rather have, honestly, these, what is it, €15.95, €16. I'd rather have taken that money to the Polaar website, for example, bought a bigger product. That's not a word. And bought a bigger product. Can't speak because of my disappointment. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna finish off my subscription with Glossybox like the end of the year. I'll do November and December, but probably for January I'm gonna call it quits. I just don't see the point anymore. This is all just boring. Like, again, what does it have to do with the theme? Nothing really. So, you know, take from that what you will. I think maybe if you're in the US or UK, maybe your variety's a little bit better, but I don't know what's going on here in France. It's just going a little bit downhill for me. I'm actually gonna do a video where I analyze the actual cost and value of what I used up and like. And so I'll have a video about that soon, and it's going to be a little bit more in-depth and interesting, and I think that one will help you guys decide whether or not it's worth the subscription. But I just think in these days of makeup and consumerism and all the products we have available to us, likely you're better off just taking your money, the €16 a month that you spend on this, maybe save 2 months and get that one nice product from Sephora. Unless you're really, really bored, or just like getting a package once a month, which was me for a while. I don't really think Glossybox is very worth it anymore, unfortunately. So unless they really, really turn it around in the next 2 months, I'm gonna be saying bye-bye. Those are my final. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hoping to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help be a part of that. If you have any other ideas or requests, definitely leave them down below, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye!